am joined here by Ronald Vincent. He's part of our lease purchase program. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Ronald.
Yeah, my name is Ron Vincent. I've been an independent contractor here at Bay & Bay for 2 years now, and I really love it over here. This is a great program.
All right, well, tell us a little bit about your secret to success when it comes to maximizing your fuel efficiency.
I keep a steady speed all the time. Use my cruise control as much as possible. Obviously, when you're in bad weather, you don't want to do that, but yeah, using your cruise control and just maintaining a steady speed, and also taking advantage of fuel discounts and bonuses like that.
And I know your motto is safety comes first. You have excellent safety results. Give us an idea and understanding about how you always put that safety hat on and what your mentality is around safety.
Pre-trip inspection from the get-go. First thing in the morning, when I start my day, I do a thorough pre-trip, make sure everything's up to snuff. And I always am aware of the weather ahead of me, and if the conditions are bad, I shut it down. And I will communicate that with my driver manager and let the customer know, and we can reschedule a time when it's safe to drive and reschedule and give them a proper ETA at that time.
And how do you mitigate fatigue?
Get good rest. If you stay on top of your hours and you take, when it's your 10-hour break, take that break. You know, get a little exercise too, that helps.
Well, give us a few tips and secrets around maximizing your fuel efficiency.
Bay & Bay, we get discounts over here, and we have an app we can use, and we can see the cost of fuel on the route we're taking, and we plan a route, and then you plan your stops to get the cheapest fuel. And like I said before, using your cruise control is very important. And then I try and keep my speed, you know, under 70 miles per hour, and that helps a lot.
Surely speed plays a big factor.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I've gone a little faster than 70 sometimes, and I've seen my MPGs just go way down. So 60, 65, 68, that's kind of the sweet spot for my truck that I found.
How do you go about maximizing your utilization and getting the most for productivity and miles for the day?
Trip planning. You know, you see how many hours you have available for that day to drive, and you make the most of it. Keep that left door shut and go.
How important is the partnership with your driver manager?
Very important. Very important. Like I said, my driver manager and I, we communicate almost daily, and it really helps.
Well, certainly, we brought you in here because you're one of the best in the group, and we really, really appreciate everything that you do to make the business successful, our business successful, and we just look forward to seeing you continue to maximize the most out of your business and continue to be the best you can be. So thank you. Appreciate that.
And I appreciate the opportunity.